Alright, hi guys. So we are going to make an artwork that is based off of the artist Iris Scott. And so a few things that you might want to have handy is maybe a drawing pencil, a drawing pen, pencil, Sharpie, whatever you want to use. But Iris Scott is an artist who does a lot of finger painting. So she paints with her fingers, but she first has to always start out with a drawing. And so she has lots of paintings that are of dogs shaking the water off of them. So that's what I'm going to do, but you can choose whatever kind of, it needs to be some sort of animal, but it can be any kind of animal that you want to. But if you want a dog shaking water off, you can follow along with me. Okay? I'm first going to start out with drawing this dog's nose. So I'm going to draw the top of its nose. Okay? So, and look how large I have this, right? It's pretty large compared to my pen. So make sure that you are drawing this really large too, because we're going to cut it out, okay? And you guys can use a pencil. I'm going to use a drawing pen because you can see it better, okay? And then I'm going to make this V shape that comes up and around, okay? And if I'm ever going too fast, you can always pause the video, okay? I'm going to make a flattened out C and a flattened out backwards C. Then at the bottom of my V, I'm going to draw a line. And these are going to be like the flaps underneath the nose of a dog. And it's going to come around to the top of its snoot or snout. Oh no, my drawing pen. Oh no. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to come back down. Like that. Now, I want my dog's tongue to be sticking out. So, I'm going to go ahead and draw her tongue sticking out. Okay. And I'm going to try to draw Little Lucy. Most of you all have heard of my dog, Little Lucy. She's the cutest dog ever. I'll show you a picture of her at the end of the video. Then, I'm going to draw, her eyes are always closed when she shakes herself off. So I'm going to draw two little eyes that are closed, and I'm going to draw some eyebrows on top of that. I might even draw a little line down the middle of her tongue. Now, Lucy's not very shaggy. She has some shaggy parts of her. So she's kind of slick. So I'm not going to draw shaggy hair until I get to her ears. I'm going to draw some shaggy hair. Then it's kind of slick and shaggy again. But if you wanted to draw a shaggy dog, I would maybe draw these little zigzags all over to make your dog kind of shaggy. Okay. There we have the head of Little Lucy. Now, when a dog shakes the water off, the ears go crazy. So, I'm going to come right here where her ear would be. I'm going to come up. And I'm going to make these sharp zigzag type things. But her ear is going to be standing straight up. And then her other ear is going to be down. So I'm going to come down here, make some more sharp zigzags. Okay, and now it's time for the body. So I'm going to come right here beside her tongue. Just a little bit above her tongue. And I'm going to make some more little zigzags. And come down. I'm going to come right here at the end of the ear. I'm going to make some more zigzags. Okay? Now, if you wanted to add more details, you could. Like if you wanted your dog to have a bow or even a collar. I think I'm going to put a collar on Lucy. Little Lucy. Okay, you can put a collar on them. You can add other details. Now it's time to color or paint them. And then we're going to cut it out and we're going to put it on a piece of black paper so we can start finger painting. Alright guys, happy making!